Prashanthakumar HD. So I'm working in the Swastiks Masala as a maintenance and purchase engineer. So I'm also looking into the maintenance inventory software. So as a software admin, we are using this Innomaint software for our maintenance operations. For before and after Innomaint software, we are used to note down all the things on Excel, either notebook. After Innomaint software, we are entering all the data into the software. We will come to know what are the breakdown machine particular day or particular month. Based on this data, we will analyze the machineries, and even we will get to know the asset reports and lot of reports based on our transaction. So basically, it was a bit difficult to adopt the software because we earlier using notebook and Excel. So for our internal training and from Innomaint support, we are adopted the software successfully. Overall, I can say Innomaint is the good maintenance management software. Honestly, I can say out of 10, I will give above 8, but I hope you will deserve more than that.